These healthy pancakes might be one of the most important recipes that I've ever filmed because I know so many of you feel this same struggle that I felt. You've messaged me saying, Laura, I want to eat healthier, but my kids don't touch healthy foods. And trust me, I get it. For years, my kids wouldn't go near go-to breakfast options like scrambled eggs or plain oatmeal. But today, these healthy pancakes are gonna solve this problem because they're packed with more nutrition than even a bowl of oatmeal. The batter for these banana oat pancakes is gonna be made in the blender, so it's super quick to make, wholesome, and each pancake only has 73 calories. To the blender jar, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk. The milk provides calcium for strong bones and protein that our kids need. By the way, any milk will do. These 2 eggs will also add protein to the pancakes and bind our ingredients together. 1 large ripe banana to provide natural sweetness, fiber plus potassium, and energy. And yes, that frozen banana that you meant to use in a smoothie works perfectly fine here. Don't let it go to waste. Next, I'm gonna add 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, which they have lots of fiber, minerals. They also help keep kids full, and it's a great whole grain to start your day. And we're also gonna use a tablespoon of baking powder to help these pancakes rise, and just a pinch of salt to bring all the flavors together. And here's my biggest tip with this recipe. You always want to add your liquid ingredients first. This ensures that the oats blend smoothly into the batter. I blend this for almost a full minute until my oats are fully incorporated into a smooth batter, so these pancakes have the same texture as the one your kids already love. Once blended, you'll notice that the batter is a little thicker than traditional pancake batter. Don't worry, these pancakes will still be soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. You'll want to cook these on a large non-stick pan or griddle over medium-high heat. Make sure the surface is hot, and then you're gonna grease it with some oil, spray, or butter. Then immediately pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake. You're gonna cook them for about 2 minutes on the first side until the edges look defined and the bubbles have begun to form throughout. Then flip the pancakes over and cook the other side for another minute. Now make sure to not press them down with the spatula. That's not gonna cook them any faster, and it's actually gonna make the pancakes denser. Now when it comes to serving these pancakes, the possibilities are endless. You can top these with additional slices of banana, a dollop of Greek yogurt for an extra boost of protein, and a little maple syrup. Now before you go, comment below and tell me what is a kid favorite recipe that you'd love a healthier version of. And if your kids love pancakes, check out my French toast recipe. It's my go-to for sneaking in extra protein for my middle son who hates the texture of eggs and needs a solid breakfast. If you love healthy versions of your family's favorite foods, hit the subscribe button. I post new easy recipes like this twice a week. See you in the next video.